Hey guys, Sarah here, everybody's here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be opening up our Tribe Beauty Box for June 2019. Mine has seen better days. It's a little bit rough this month. Let me tell you a little bit about this box. It is $34.99 and it is a bi-monthly subscription, so you get it every other month. You get guaranteed one face product, one tool, one eye product, and or one skin prep product. Yeah, so this is only my second time getting this. I did really enjoy the first one I got, so I'm excited to see what's in here this month. As always, if I don't know if things are cruelty free at the time of filming, I put that in the description box down below, as well as breaking down the value of the box. I think this tells us the values of everything, but I don't remember honestly. But yeah, let's just go ahead and get right into it. Okay, so when you open it up, looks just like this. It's got this little card right here that does tell us everything we're getting, as well as the full-size values of those items. And this month's theme is Vanity and Glam. All right, so the first thing I'm pulling out right away is this 4-piece brush set from Crown. Let's see. This is the Rose Gold eye set. I don't know why it's called Rose Gold because it's black, but you know. So it has a brow and lash groomer. It has an oval concealer brush, a chisel fluff brush, and a precision detail brush. I don't know if I'm gonna open these up yet. I'm getting a lot of brushes and I don't know if I'm gonna keep these, honestly. But yeah, I got these and the value on these is $19, so I think that's pretty fair. $19 for 4 brushes, so there's that. The next thing I am pulling out is from Wander Beauty, which is cruelty free. This is the Dive In Moisturizer Cream. There it is, right there. I want to apologize if the lighting changes. The sun is going down right now. I just worked all day and I'm going on vacation at the end of the week, so I have to get a bunch of filming in before I go. So if you see the lighting change, that's what's going on. Okay, so back to this. So this is what it looks like. Just pink. It does have a safety seal. I'll go ahead and take that off. All right, sorry about that. Doorbell rang and I have German Shepherds. I think it's like a solicitor. That's why they're still barking and still back there. Okay, come over here. Come on. Okay. We're good? This is what my life is. Okay, so anyways, back to the moisturizer. It feels very lotiony, so it's like a more lightweight moisturizer, which I sort of like. If I tend to use a lot of like heavy moisturizers, I tend to break out a little bit. So definitely will use this. And the Wander Beauty Dive In Moisturizer is valued at $36, so it's a little bit expensive in my opinion. So I'm happy that I only paid, what, $35 for this box. Okay, let's see. Next item I am pulling out is from Dr. Botanicals. And I don't know if this is cruelty free or not. I've never heard of this brand. Here's the packaging though. So this is the Dr. Botanicals Moroccan Rose Superfood Facial Oil. I will open this up, but I'm not going to use it. I do enjoy facial oils, but I hate the smell of rose. So I probably will just give this to somebody. It's a decent size amount. Oils can go a long way, so I'll just go ahead and give it a sniff. Yep, smells like roses. I hate it. I just hate the smell of, I like real life roses. I don't like manufactured rose scent. So this I will just give to a friend or throw into a giveaway, but it's not for me. And the Dr. Botanicals Moroccan Rose Superfood Facial Oil is valued at $26. And I am pulling out is from LA Splash, which is cruelty free. This is the Sinfully Angelic Diamond Lip Gloss, and mine is in the shade Angelique. They always have like fun packaging, so there's that. I do like the color. It is a pink nude sort of shade. It's got the like that kind of doe foot applicator, which I like. Let's go ahead and give it a swatch. Oh, I hate the way it feels. So it has a sticky lip gloss feel, which I don't like. It's not something for me personally. So, I don't know, I'll probably just give this away to somebody. I just can't do that sort of sticky feel on my lips most days. But maybe I'll try it out on my lips and see how it feels, but it's just not my favorite formula, so there's that. Okay, so the LA Splash lip gloss is valued at $18, so a little bit expensive in my opinion for a lip gloss, but there it is. Okay, I have one more item, and this is actually something I already own. I'm actually curious to see if this is damaged just because the box like was rough. Okay, so it's still intact. I'll show you real quick. There is, since I already own this, I'm gonna give it away to someone or toss it into a giveaway for the channel. But let me go grab mine real quick just so I can do a little bit of swatching for you guys so you can see what it looks like. I'm not sure if I mentioned this palette is by IBY. It's a City Limit palette. I really enjoy their palettes. I think they're really good for the price. What, this is $20, I think. So yeah, this is valued at $20, and I think it's a really good value, honestly. You can see mine's a little bit messy. I have used it a little bit. I really like this color right here, Fire and Ice. If you see at my finger, it's like green / brown, like a duochrome sort of thing. I really like that. Okay, so there's a couple colors on my hand. So you can see they're really, really pigmented. I really, really like these a lot. They can be a little bit dusty, but the metallics are really, really great in my opinion. For a $20 palette, I think this is a really, really, really good value. So yeah, excited that I got one to give away to somebody. Oh, I should mention that IBY is cruelty free as well. All right, let's go ahead and get a real quick value. Okay, so the value on this box is $119 right there. I mean, overall, this box was just okay in my opinion. I normally really enjoy getting brushes, but I don't know why I'm just not as excited about these. Maybe it's just because they're not brushes I use typically. Like, I don't use this eyebrow thing. I just use a spoolie. So I don't know, these are just okay in my opinion. This I would love if it wasn't rose scented. I just hate the scent of rose, and that's not their fault. That's just, you know, that's me. I don't like that. Excited about the Wander Beauty Moisturizer. I really do enjoy Wander Beauty. The lip gloss, again, I just don't like this formula. Not a bad item to get. And then the palette, though, is really good. So overall, I think for $35, I don't think this is a great box. But I don't think it's a bad box, if that makes sense. It's just kind of in the middle. But I would love to know what you guys think. Do you think this is worth $35? Do you enjoy this box? Do you get this box? If you guys like this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this from me, more unboxings, more dogs barking at somebody coming to my house, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right down there. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.